Welcome back to my channel and chapter number 4, insects. Okay, so in insects, what and all we are going to study: common insects, body parts of an insect, life cycle of a butterfly, social insects, useful and harmful insects, and tips to keep the insect away. Okay, so all these we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, now okay okay we see many small animals creeping, crawling, and flying in the air, on grass, and on soil. Okay, so most of these animals are called. So insects are small animals. They will be creeping, crawling. Creeping means moving slowly. Dheere dheere se. Okay, moving slowly. Crawling. So crawling means move forward on their legs. Flying in the air, and where and all we can see these insects. We can see flying in the air, on grass, and on soil also we can see these small animals, and these small animals only are called insects. Okay, now let us discuss about some common insects. Okay, now from the okay common insects are a tiny animals with the six legs. They have a six legs. Okay, they forms the largest group of living organisms on earth. So in insects you will see many types of you will see many types. Okay, so they forms a largest group. So you will see many types in the these insects. Okay, some insects creep or crawl on their legs, but most of them have a wings to fly, like how the birds have a wings to fly. So most of the insects also fly with the help of wings. Okay, now some common insects found inside our homes, like a cockroach, ants, mosquitoes, you can see in your house. Okay, and some insects such as butterflies, moths, bees, grasshoppers, you can see outside your house. Okay, now so how the human having such a body parts, like there is a external or body parts, internal body parts. In a birds also we have learned some body parts of the birds. Okay, so similarly in insects also have a common body parts. Okay, so in that there are three main body parts, such as head, thorax, and abdomen is the three main body parts of the insects. Okay, next, so head is the front part of the bodies. Here you can see, here is the head, which is the front um, body part. Okay, and which is the round and smallest of all the body parts. So in, as you know that in insect it has three main body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen, and head is the smallest of all the body parts. Okay, and it has one pair of eyes. They are not shown here. Eyes will be here. It has one pair of eyes, one pair of a pair of antenna. 1 minute. And okay, here is the antenna. Here is the antenna, and the mouth part will be here. Okay, now thorax. It is a middle. Okay, head is the front part, so thorax is the middle part. See, this is the middle part of the body, that is only thorax. Okay, this part of the body bears a three pairs of a legs. So here 1 2 3, so on that either side will be also there will be three legs. So it has a, they have a three pairs of a legs. Okay, and one or two pairs of a wings. So depending on the insects, they may have a one pair or two pair of wings. So behind the thorax is the abdomen. So that is the third part. So here is the abdomen of the insect. Okay. Okay. And abdomen is the largest part of the insect's body. So head is the smallest part of the body, and abdomen is the largest part of an insect's body. Okay, and some insects have a stingers at the back of their abdomen. Here it back of their abdomen means here it will be there. For example, in bees or jellyfish you can see. Okay, stings means dhank rehta hai. Okay, and back of the abdomen small holes are present on either side of the abdomen. Here will be present a small holes, and that small holes only called as spiracles. So insects breathe through these spiracles. So how the human beings breathe through the lungs? So insects breathe through the spiracles, and these spiracles are which is present on the either sides of the abdomen, which are very small holes. Okay, that small holes only called spiracles. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Let's recall. Okay, how many legs do the insects have? Yes, it has a three. Okay, in how many parts the body of an insect is divided? That is three: head, thorax, and abdomen. To which part of the insects are the legs attached? So middle part is thorax. So there only the three pairs of legs are attached. On the what part of the insects are antenna found? On the head only. You'll found it. Okay. Which insect has a colorful wings? Butterfly has a colorful wings. Okay. Now next. Now we will discuss about life cycle of butterfly. So in complete life cycle of butterfly, it has a four stages. It has a four stages, which are egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. So in a complete life cycle of butterfly, butterfly has a four stages. Remember this, it's a very important. And these four stages are: egg is the first, caterpillar is the second stage, pupa is the third, and the fourth and last stage is the adult. Okay, a butterfly lays egg on the leaves. Each egg hatches into caterpillar or we can say larva also. So adult butterfly, what they will do, they will lay the eggs on the lace, and each egg hatches into caterpillar. Hatching means baby butterflies come out from the egg. So that we will say hatch. Okay. So after hatching, the baby what it comes outside, no, that baby will say caterpillar or a larva. Okay. Again, after coming out from the egg, that caterpillar, that baby, undergoes several stages before becoming an adult. So before becoming an adult, so in the caterpillar there will be many changes happens. Okay, and for the food they will eat the leaves. For the food, caterpillar eat the leaves, and after having the food, after some days, the caterpillar grows in a size, so its size will become a bigger. Okay, and it's become a inactive, and when it will become inactive, its body covers with a one protective layer. So that protective layer only called as cocoon. Okay, that protective layer is only called as cocoon, and this stage is called pupa. That is the third stage of the life cycle of a butterfly. The first one is egg, the second stage is caterpillar, and the third is pupa. In the pupa, caterpillar it will become inactive. When it will become inactive, its body it is covered with one protective layer, and this protective layer name is cocoon. Very important. Okay, and this stage is only called as pupa. Okay, now the pupa breaks after a week, and beautiful butter comes out from it. Okay, so after a week, the cocoon, this cocoon, that cocoon only, that is a protective layer. So after some days, the butterflies, it will break this protective layer, that is only cocoon, and the butterflies come out. Okay, and the process of changes from the young form to an adult form is called the metamorphosis. From the egg to adult butterfly. So what it is, complete life cycle goes including these four stages. So this complete process only called as metamorphosis. Okay, so insects such as the grasshoppers, cockroach have a three stages in their life cycles. So how the butterfly, it has a four stages now. So cockroach and grasshoppers have a three stages in their life cycle. Okay, now a baby cockroach looks like an adult cockroach, but it is very smaller in size, and the baby cockroach does not have a wings like an adult. So adults, the cockroach have a wings, but baby cockroach doesn't have a wings. So after molting many times, it changes into adult. Molting is a process of shedding the skin. So shedding skins may see, this baby cockroach, it is having color like a very bright white, and the adult when it is having a dark reddish to brownish color. So shedding skin, there will be many times changes in its skin color. Okay, and this process is called molting. Okay, next. Now, so this is the life cycle of a butterfly. So as you know, the first adult butterfly lays the egg on the leaves. Okay, from the egg only the baby butterfly or the baby caterpillar, okay, the baby butterfly only called as a caterpillar. So the baby comes out from the eggs and it will eat the leaves and becomes a bigger in a size. Okay, now the next what it does, the caterpillar covers itself. Here you can see the cocoon, protective layer. So inside that the caterpillar is, it is there. So the caterpillar covers itself in a cocoon to form a pupa. So that is the third stage. So this stage is only called as pupa. That is the inactive stage. Okay, that is only inactive stage. Pupa sheds its skin many times. Shades means again it several times, I mean many times color changes inside the that, I mean inside that cocoon, and I mean inside the protective layer. Okay, and become a beautiful butterfly. Here you can see how beautiful it is. The cocoon splits open and butterflies comes out. From this butterflies come out. You can see how beautiful it is. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss about uh, social insects. Okay, so these are the common insects. In the next video we will discuss about the social insects. Okay, thank you.